survived the week. We ain't got no show tonight, and that means we got all the night to buy me drinks, socialize, meet new people, showing why it's alright to make it last and roll and dance till morning light. Now, who that all alone? The girl in the dress looking at her phone. Phone ain't gonna let her know shit she don't already know. Man, I feel responsible to let her know she got it all. Buy that drink, set the tone. Let's go, let's go, let's get it on. It's my night off. You know we all left our mind home. You know we roll. It's my night off. You know we all left our mind home. You know we roll. Damn, tough chance. The girl in the dress got a love romance. That's no biggie, I just simply ask her if she loves to dance. The mind that waits, hesitates, the body talks, anticipates. Before you know, we on the floor and damn, yo, we elevate. Nah, that's that, look right, look left. I know we still got some night left. Clock says 4, the club's closed, but the group we roll with opens doors. I feel like a troublemaker, feel like making some mistakes, and later on, I blame it on. I'm drunk, it's my night off. It's my night off. You know we all left our mind home. You know we roll. It's my night off. You know we all left our mind home. You know we roll. Trying to keep the group together, man, this feels like forever. Someone please speak to me, cause I can't figure out what happened. What happened, what happened, can't figure out what happened. What happened, what happened, can't figure out what happened. It's my night off. You know we all left our mind home. You know we roll. It's my night off. You know we all left our mind home. You know we